Hey my dolls, it's your girl Aya coming at you guys today with a review on a unit that I purchased from GoBeautyny.com. Of course, all purchase links will be down in the description box. So, Bobbi Boss recently brought out their version of a braided wig. They jumped on the bandwagon and decided to come out with their own braided wig. The wig that I'll be reviewing is going to be their premium synthetic braid wig, MLF511 Simone. I have Simone in the color TT1B30. Simone is going to, that stock card should have warned me. But anyway, Simone is going to have natural baby hairs around the perimeter of the wig. Well, around the front of the wig. She's going to have they say it's a seamless lace front. She is going to be lightweight with realistic braids. And she's going to have a 13x7 lace area that the braids are on, and then the rest is going to be a stretchy, comfortable fit flex cap. So here is Simone. She's maybe about a good 28 inches long. So pretty long wig. The braids are very neat. So I'm not going to front about that. The braids are very, very neat. I have no complaints about the braids. The cap is really, really large on this one. They definitely want to make sure they got our big hair divas. You know, you got a big head, this wig will definitely fit you. Smaller heads, this wig is going to swim on your head, and it's literally swimming on my head when I put it on. So, cap construction, 3 combs in the front, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back with the adjustable straps. Here is what that 13x7 lace area looks like, and you can definitely see the stitching where the braids are attached to the frontal. Bobbi Boss, huge no. Do not ever stitch on braids if you're going to say it's a realistic braided wig. You have to actually braid it. So yeah, but I'm not expecting, I wasn't expecting too much after I seen the inside of the cap construction. Another con for this wig is the fact that when you adjust the straps, your wig is going to bunch up and it's going to create gappage. And with it creating the gappage, guess what? Everybody going to be able to tell that you have on a wig. So if you're trying to adjust the straps, it's a huge no. It's not going to work. Do you see that? That's a huge problem. So that's another con for this wig. The cap is too big, the braids are stitched on, and the adjustable straps honestly are useless for this wig. But the braids, like I said, are nice and neat. There's the baby hairs, and that hairline does not look realistic at all, being with the fact that the braids are stitched onto the wig. Y'all, when I put on this wig, I felt like Shamar Moore braided wig in that Medea movie. I was so excited to see this wig because I was like, "Ooh, Bobbi Boss got it right with the price and things like that." Then I realized, don't expect too much with this wig at this price. And I should have known by looking at the stock card. I should have known. But I'm reviewing this wig for y'all, so y'all know. Don't shoot the messenger. So I spent my own money, and hey, I'm not even gonna count it as a loss because I didn't spend that much. So I'm gonna go ahead, let this play out, show you guys what the wig looks like on, and then I'm gonna come back.
Lego original Batman. When they say it's Bob Naughty, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me man down. Original bad man, me a run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to invade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I'm chilling in the studio, man, I'm vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I'm vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stacks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me. Hold on, me not telling me the hold on. Calm down, me they telling me they calm down. Man down, is a man down. Bad man, them a see me round. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I'm chilling in the studio, man, I'm vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I'm vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Original, Batman, oh, hey, oh, VQ's on the vibe,
It's VQ's.
Alright, my dolls, so I have Miss Simone on. There's her placard once again. I should have known by looking, when I saw that on the site, I should have known something was up. But I was like, nah, I'm going to give it a chance because I was like, you know, I never tried a, unit from Bobbi Boss that I didn't like. This one might be alright. So, yeah, I'm not feeling this one. Number one, it looks super wiggy and it feels like I have literally a hat on my head because the cap is so large. This side is covering my entire ear, like my ear is in the wig. So I'm gonna do a little 360 for y'all. And yeah, super wiggy, super clockable. Here is the back. So here's the back, and like I said, it's super duper large. Like I can barely put the combs in there. It's I have my hair as flat as possible because it's so, I mean, yeah. And here is the other side, by the way. This one, I really want to come on camera with a drink in my hand and talk major junk, but I was like, no, I'm gonna sit back, be professional about it. I don't like it. I like the fact that they gave us color choices, and I like the fact that they listened to us as far as, when we complained about the other braided wigs on the market, with the cap being too small. But the cap on this is super duper large. If you have a larger head, this one might work for you. Smaller head, it's gonna feel like you're wearing a hat. It's gonna feel like an earmuff right here, because like literally my ear is inside of the wig. So yeah, but it lays super flat and nice. That's what I like about it. It lays really, really flat. I like the length. I like the color choices that they provided to us. It didn't just give us, the standard 1B, 2, 4, and the 6, 13. So they listened to us as far as the color options go. For the braided wigs, they gave us some ombre options, and that's really about all they listened to. The cap, the cap size and the color options. They stitched the braids on, so it looks super duper wiggy. I don't know if it looks wiggy to y'all, but it looks wiggy to me. And the baby hairs, I'm not feeling. I do like the fact that they did go ahead and put in the frontal, the 13x7 frontal, but yeah, oh my goodness, this is super duper large on my head. The sensational one wasn't large on my head. It fit just right. For me, that the side, the side part cornrow wig that I reviewed for sensational, that wig fit just right on my head. But I know a lot of ladies who were complaining that wig was, too small and things like that. But to me, that particular wig looked real, realistic. This one, not so much, because the braids are stitched on. So yeah, in the style of this wig, I think for this particular style, they should have, done at least a better job, with the camouflage up in here, because yeah, it looks clockable, in my opinion. It does. this wig may be for somebody. I like the price point. It's not, you know, up there with the $70 ones, you know, like Sensational. You know, it's a nice price point, but oh my goodness, yeah, some improvements need to be made. I mean, with all mass manufactured wigs, because we're not getting them from the ladies who are overseas, there are going to be some cons with them. They're not going to look as good as the ones that you would get from overseas. But to me, you have the option of getting them, you know, because they are mass produced. They come to you within 2 days. So that's what's happening. You know, I wasn't, you know, expecting, you know, I didn't have too many large expectations for this one. But yeah, it's a no for me. But anyway, I'm going to, you know, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this wig on me. Of course, I will come at you dolls with another review as always. You know, I could probably put my scarf on. It'll probably look real cute. But yeah, comment down below. I'm going to talk to you dolls later. Bye.